tell your mama, tell your dad. The only tall black guy with a... This guy's giving me a thumbs up. Oh, shit. This is what we've been looking for, baby. Here we go, back at it again. Well, we about to go take for a back road cruise. As y'all can see, we got the TDurrGT sticker on the window. I put that on there. Wrapping on over to the other side, we got another YouTube sticker. If you ain't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But let's get a cold start and go in here. Man, this cold start is definitely louder than the last one. The last cold start, I started the car already, but this was the first start in 2 days. It tones down a little bit. For all the neighbors out here, they can definitely hear my car, man, because you can hear somebody whispering over here. If you're really just walking by, somebody could be whispering, you can hear them through these windows. So imagine this car right here. What's going on, guys? Tim in here, bring you back another video with the 5.0. Man, today we're about to go on a back road cruise. By the title, you can tell we're about to do the first pulls in the car. For y'all that don't know, this is my daily right here, the Volkswagen. Clean Volkswagen. It's been sitting for a minute as well, but definitely have to have a daily when you have another car like this, because this thing saves gas. Yes, it is a manual, but we got to get this GoPro head strap out of here. I've been looking for this the whole time, for like a whole week, and it's been in this car the whole time. And yes, the Volkswagen does have BBS wheels, and it is lowered. I did not put those on there. Previous owner put it on there, but this thing is phenomenal. We got the 5.0 and we got the Volkswagen action. A nice daily, clean, 116,000 miles. This 37K. Let's go. You guys are on the head right now. As you can see, I look a little bit weird, messing up my waves, but I think right here should be a perfect view. Y'all can see the steering wheel. Y'all can see the out of there. Perfect. Everything. Not too high, not too low. Just perfect. Boom. If you are new to the channel, you should consider subscribing. Tell your mama, tell your dad, tell your brother, your sister, your grandma, your grandpa, everybody, because we're trying to get just subscribe. But on a serious note, guys, yo, we're trying to get to 700 subscribers first so we can get a new, better quality camera for the channel, man. I've been filming on a GoPro Hero 4 Plus Black ever since I started YouTube, and now I want to upgrade to a better camera. So at 700 subscribers, if we can hit that mark, a new camera will be on the way. Also, I want to thank you guys for your continued support of liking the videos, commenting down below. We've been getting more comments on the channels and on the videos recently. We've been getting more likes. We're about to do some pulls in this thing for the first time. I got the GoPro head strap on. We're about to go into the back roads right now and get some full throttle pulls with this car, man. Now let's get here. We're in second gear, starting at 4,500. Oh my gosh, this car is freaking insane. 120. Woo! Holy shit. Holy shit. Guys, I'm telling you, these 373 gears and this track package are no joke at all. Any gear this car takes off, man. Although this was second gear, but let's try it from the third and fourth gear and even fifth gear. Man, that was one nasty pull right there, guys. All right, I think this time I'm gonna start off in third gear, get some room. There's a car all the way ahead. We're gonna start off in third, and we're gonna take off at 4,000 RPM. Oh my gosh, dude. Freaking locked out. These stupid MT82 transmissions. Cannot go into the fourth gear at a high RPM. Or any gear. Trying to shift at a high RPM, you cannot really go in at all. Back roads over here is definitely a wonderful drive on this wonderful day we got here on a Thursday. angles on some corners. Honestly, this car is very smooth driving, but whenever you hit a bump, the body roll is horrendous in this car. It is out of control. Now, I think that comes in play with the lowering springs, so I hope when I upgrade to these lowering springs, that'll eliminate the excessive body roll that this car has. Other than that, upgrading the lower control arms, other aftermarket parts for the chassis when I do lower this car is definitely gonna help. I was just about to take off at this light until we got a Cook County Forest Preserve. I'm still gonna take off. I don't even know if he can pull me over. He gonna hear me winding down the street though. Woo! Gotta get him some little sauce. I'm not sure if he can pull me over, but he ain't in the rearview mirror, so drop a gear and disappear. Gosh, I gotta slow down. This car is quick, man. Way better. 2 times faster than the 99 4.6 New Edge we got rid of, man, for sure. This ain't nothing to play with stock. Now obviously we gonna up it up a notch and put in the aftermarket parts. But definitely satisfied with this car, man. Definitely. Put smiles on your face every time you hit that pedal when you stepping on it. Alright guys, we're about to bust a U-turn here and just floor it right back. There's more back roads we're gonna be exploring right now. But it won't go on the 4th gear, guys. Oh my gosh. Damn transmissions. MT82s. You guys already know the problems about these. There's actually a lawsuit going on. I don't know how effective it is right now, but a lot of people lock out in their Mustangs with these MT82 transmissions. Out here, man. These are the perfect roads for this. Come cruising out here with the boys. Mustangs taking over the back roads. That view over there. Got another lake on over there. The whole view just fits perfect, man. Like if I can imagine myself in California right now, this is California, but in Illinois. We're riding on a coast, right next to the beach. And you got your cliff, you know, your cliff over. Guys, to be honest, 4th gear is the hardest gear to put into gear. It's so quick, and by the response time with your feet going into 4th gear from 3rd to 4th, it is so quick that your transmission just cannot keep up with the clutch. These MT82 transmissions cannot keep up with the quickness of that shift from 3rd to 4th. The best shift that you can have locks you out the most times, and that'll lose you a race. Easy in these cars. Easy. I have a Saucin performance clutch in this car a couple weeks ago. That shop put it in there. It is a performance clutch. I'm not sure of how, I don't know the review of it is, but it does my car good. It feels great. I honestly don't have experience with the stock clutch in this car because this car did not come with the stock clutch. But all I know is that this clutch, the Saucin performance clutch that they put in my car now, it is a-okay. It does me justice. I like it. I love it. It grabs very well. The shifts are smooth. But this damn MT82 transmission that is in here, as you guys know, for the S197 owners, they suck ass. Omar locks out. All the S197 owners locks out. My buddy Dimitri locks out in this red Mustang. Everyone knows already. But if y'all are wondering, we do got these Roush tips. It's not a Roush exhaust. I put in a 3-inch X-pipe, stainless works X-pipe. cut off the resonators, and then we cut off the mufflers to get this sound. The idle is perfect. Now let's get a few revs going on up in here. Yes, sir. Damn. I skip it. I just had to take it off. But we put in a new hood recently. Oh no. Okay, that's a bug. Oh my gosh, man. That scared me for a minute. I thought there was a... Woo! We got somebody who... I got a Beamer who just pulled up behind me. Oh, Anthony, no way.
What up, bro?
What the fuck?
Oh.
How the hell did you spot me out here?
You're the only tall black guy with a blue car.
Holy shit, I'm like, what the fuck? We got a fucking Beamer. What's up, Tamaine? I'm like, we got a Beamer fucking pulling up on me. Maybe they want some smoke or some shit.
You're about to get gunshot, my friend.
Huh? Shit, god damn.
Yeah, I was like, okay, we can turn around.
Wait, did you come by me or something?
Yeah, we came that way.
Oh, you came that way and you see me filming and shit?
Yeah, I came back.
Oh shit. Nothing much. If you guys don't remember Anthony with the gray Mustang, here's a clip. Them headlights though.
I'm gonna flip your ass over.
Hell yeah.
Sounds nice.
Hell yeah.
Got some Meteor tires on you.
Yeah, I put some 285s on there, I forgot. And also, this ain't the stock hood. This is the aftermarket Ram Air hood with the two scoops.
Different.
Yeah.
It looks nice. Because it was more flat on the top, not so
Yeah,
rough.
it was more flat. So the two scoops weren't there. Only the two hood vents were there on the stock hood, but now we got the two scoops for more air and a better aggressive look.
Sure. Guys, you can get rid of your red one.
Why'd I get rid of it?
Yeah.
Because it was too slow and it had 150,000 miles on it.
My issue 155,000. I ended up fucking losing a tire as I was going 60 miles an hour, and the tire was like, fuck you.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my, dude, you always having problems with the fucking Mustang. What happened to the 370Z or something? Or 350?
That's what I'm working on it, man.
This guy.
I'm working on it, you know. Like,
but
just gets you down. You just gotta get back up.
Yeah, life's a bitch. Life's a bitch. This is gonna be way more reliable. It has better looks. This is the best feature and look that I like. Out of all the Mustangs, I could have went with the 2015. Man, what you mean? What you mean? I'm still with the new edge. Still with the new edge gang, but we just have to up it up a notch with the 2014. I don't like the 2015, 2016 look, 2017. This look perfect. Pulled up a clean, nice BMW. Oh, a windy road. Oh snap. Let's get this handling going. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. This is what we've been looking for, baby. Hell yeah. Guys, I'm begging y'all, man, please subscribe to the channel. My GoPro just died. It died like 5 times today, man. We need another camera. But let's get a pull down this baby. Real quick. Alright, now I honestly, I don't know where. Is that a house? Who the hell would want to live over there? In the middle of these damn woods? Hell no. Got Michael Myers or fucking Freddy Krueger. Somebody. That is gonna wrap it up for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed that Backroads cruise. I actually enjoyed it. I've never experienced some of those spots before, so some spots I knew, but those other spots, buddy Anthony pulled through, saw me filming, that was funny. Finally got some open throttle pulls on this car. Guys, give me a thumbs up. People, you guys stay tuned to the channel, man, because we need to hit 700 subscribers so we can get this GoPro off the top of my head into some better quality freaking film for this channel, man. So please subscribe to the channel, leave a like on the video, comment, subscribe, everything. We gone.